Today is haircut day. Like, why y'all didn't tell me I need a haircut? I think I'm gonna end up cutting off about that much. I don't know, we'll see. I shampooed and conditioned it last night, and then I just let it air dry. So today it's time to cut it. Let me get my clippers. So yeah, let's figure out. Like, I kind of want to cut the sides first and then cut the top. Yeah, I got my little makeup bib on so I don't get nothing on my shirt because I do have to leave in a few. So I'm really crunched for time. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get into it. I'm just gonna comb the sides down. My main issue is I want to cut some of the length off, and then I want to take some more hair off the sides. I want the sides to be lighter. The back is fine. I'm okay with it being dark in the back, but I do want to take a little bit of the length off in the back as well. And then I want to just line it up. So very simple, but clean. Yeah, so cut the top off, cut some of the top off, shave the sides down, line the sides up, line the back sides up. Yeah, hopefully this shouldn't take a long time and I can get out of here and get the rest of my day started. How is you guys' day going? Mine is going pretty good. So far, so good. Today has just been like a cleaning day for me. Like, once I'm done with this, I'm going to, well, my groceries should be here. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to go and finish cleaning. I got some laundry to do. So it's just a cleaning day for me. So not much work, just cleaning, because I've been working a lot lately. So been trying to get these videos out for y'all. So I hope y'all are enjoying Vlogtober. All right, so now I'm gonna start with a 1 guard open. Let's see. Tell me what you really, really need, little girl. Take you out and put you in. All right, that ain't cutting off enough, so let's go. I think that's low as I want to go with that. So yeah, sometimes with your hair, if you have hair that grows in different directions, it's going to be a little difficult to cut. But if you kind of turn your clippers and go in the direction that the hair is growing, you'll get that hair. Because I could feel it, like I could hear it cutting, but it didn't seem like it was taking much off. You see how much better that looks like that? And then I got this little raggedy side over here. So yeah, we're finna go ahead and do the exact same thing with this side. That took like 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes, 1 minute. So that is good for that. Hold on, let me. That's a little bit better because I don't like that hair sitting on my ear like that. So if it's sitting on my ear, it's too long. It's got to go. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up my sides. Like, I cut my hair so weird, but it works for me. clean that looks. 5 minutes and we're back. We're alive. 5 minutes and we're alive. All right, let's keep going. All right, so I think this is as much as I want to cut off. Ooh, it's very short. Yes, I like it. I like. All right, now I'm going to line the back up so I can go because I am very crunched for time.
I can make this many songs about a lady, she be down. I be in my feelings, sometimes I be jealous, but I keep it thugging like it's Machiavelli. Ring, ring, hit my celly. Remember you went bad on me, I won't forget it. You said you wanna tell me, don't want you tell it. In between the sheets, you know I got you yelling.
Could it be monogamy ain't meant for me? That's way too reckless. I'd get too jealous. Could you be from the east or overseas? I learned my lesson. I'm way too western. Could you be my favorite ethnicity? I'm just undressing all of these sections of my thoughts.
This is all the hair right here. Of course, some went on the floor, but this is the bulk of it. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, I need to go finish cleaning, finish doing my laundry, and yeah, bye.